Okay, I'm gonna try to make some paw balm. I saw a lot of recipes online, and my girls have been having some really dry paw pads. We're coming into the colder weather where they're gonna be a little more dry and need some more protection. So I'm gonna see how this goes. I'm gonna use olive oil, coconut oil, vitamin E oil, beeswax, and shea butter. Okay, so I have to heat these up on the stove, so I'm gonna bring these with me. Okay, so again, this is my first time doing this, but I have learned that a double boiler effect is better because it helps preserve the nutrients in the oils and it doesn't overcook it. I'm gonna do the beeswax first because it does take longer to melt. And I do a tablespoon of that. 2 tablespoons, roughly, of shea butter. My hands are gonna be soft after this. Lord knows they need it. Okay, and then I'm gonna do 2 tablespoons of organic coconut oil. Nobody told me how messy this was gonna be. And a tablespoon of oil, olive oil. And I have vitamin E oil, but I'm gonna wait to put that in because it's a very sensitive oil, so you don't wanna overheat it or it will lose its nutrients. Okay, and I'm just gonna continuously stir until it's nice and melted. Okay, now it's completely melted. I'm going to turn off the heat and remove it. Very carefully, that is. Okay, now it's cooled enough to touch, but it's still liquid, so it's a perfect time to pour it, so you don't want it to solidify. I'm adding my vitamin E oil now, because that's less likely to damage it. I'm just going to do about 2 to 3 big-ish drops of it. And I'm gonna mix that in. Okay, so you can pour this into really anything. A lot of people like to use glass jars. This is a glass baby food jar, and then you just scoop it with your fingers. A lot of people like to do it in little silicone molds, and then they can just draw on their paws with it. I found these super cute little paw balm tubes, I guess you call them, and they come with little lids, and they push up once it's solid, so I love that sound. I'm gonna pour it in these. All right. Can I help you? It looks like this was enough for like maybe 1.5 of these, so I'm gonna adjust my amounts, but I didn't want to make too much in case it turned out terribly. So, okay, now we just wait for it to cool and it'll harden up and I'll test it on the girls. Okay, it's hardened up. And it's officially time to try it. Let's go put it on these feet. It definitely helps to do it while your dog's distracted so they don't lick it all off before it absorbs.